Let me show you how you can set up product bundles in your store. From the home page of the ModeMagic app, click on Apps from the left side of the screen. Then click on Product Bundles. Before we begin with the setup, please note that these product bundles are manual product bundles. That is, you can select the products which you would like to include in this bundle. Once this bundle is activated, upon clicking on Add to Cart, the customer is directly led to the checkout page. Now let's get started with the setup. Click on Templates on the left side of the screen. From here, you can select the template of your choice. Now go to Settings and select the products which you would like to include in this bundle. By default, the first three products are selected. Deselect these products if you would not want them added to this bundle. And then you can select the collection of your choice, or you can directly search for the product here and then include it in the bundle. Now click on the offer option. From here you can set up a fixed or a percentage discount which you would like to add to this bundle. Now from the top of the screen, select each option to view how this bundle will be appearing across different devices. And you can make the required edits to it. From the top right corner of the screen, click on Show Product Bundles for selected products. Here, the bundle will be only appearing on the selected products. In order to set up the position and page, you can refer to our help articles. Now click on Add to Store on the bottom right corner of the screen. Thank you.